Abuja Division of the Federal High Court on Wednesday ordered the All Progressive Congress APC to open its case against the governor of Edo State, Godwin Obaseki, in the alleged certificate falsification lawsuit. This was after the court refused to suspend the lawsuit proceedings as requested by the governor. Judge Ahmed Mohammed, in his ruling, said that the court will comply with the order of the Court of Appeal, ordering the court to continue with the day-to-day trial. The judge noted that his court will continue the trial as instructed by the Court of Appeal until the order is vacated. Judge Mohammed noted that his court must obey the courts in accordance with the previous provisions of the law. He urged that given the order of the Court of Appeals and the nature of the case, the Christmas holidays are not sufficient reason to suspend the process. Consequently, the court ordered the plaintiff to open and close his case within 2 days from Thursday, December 24th to Tuesday, December 29th. He also gave the defendants 2 dates to open and conclude their defense from Wednesday 30th to Thursday 31st December 2020. Previously, the plaintiff's attorney, Chief Akin Alujimi San, had informed the court about the Court of Appeals ruling on December 16th, 2020, ordering the trial court to proceed with the trial after dismissing the stay request of the execution presented by the Governor Godwin Obaseki. He urged the court to proceed with the trial in accordance with the ruling of the Abuja Division of the Court of Appeal. But in opposition, Godwin Obaseki's attorney, Ken Moza San, urged the court not to proceed with the trial as his client has filed an appeal in the Supreme Court against the decision of the Court of Appeals, including a request for additional suspension procedure on the matter. He urged the court under the circumstances to delay a bit and await the Supreme Court's decision on the appeal. My lord, the first defendant not satisfied with the decision of the Court of Appeal has appealed against the ruling and the consequent orders to the Supreme Court, which is the final court, he said. The appeal letter has been duly notified to the parties in this case. Likewise, the appeal file of the Court of Appeals has been duly sent to the Supreme Court, where it has been entered as appeal number LC/C/986/2020, and copies of the appeal brief, the request for suspension, and other reliefs mentioned above are exhibited in affidavit before which Abraham Oladije was declared. Also on display are the orders registered for appeals numbers CA/B/128/2020 and CA/B/12A/2020. The Court of Appeal of Benin, after passing judgment, ordered the State Superior Court to continue with the procedures in the lawsuit number FHC/B/CS/48/2020 between Kenneth Asikome and another All Progressive Congress APC and 3 others, where despite that order, the defendant's lawyer still filed an appeal in the Supreme Court and continue to the Federal Superior Court with a request for suspension of the procedures and insisted that the Federal Superior Court await the determination of the appeal in the Supreme Court. The Federal Supreme Court agreed that request and cannot honestly ask this court to proceed, having stated that the Federal Superior Court must wait. It has the duty to continue maintaining that position, to say that the Federal Superior Court is obligated to wait for the resolution of the appeal before the Supreme Court. He urged that once a party has taken steps to challenge a decision of the Court of Appeal through a new appeal to the Supreme Court and follows it with a request for suspension of the proceedings, the judgment of the Court of Appeal will not be treated as final until the steps taken are fully resolved. The second part of their argument was based on the fact that the trial cannot take place during the Christmas holidays as stated in a circular issued by the Chief Judge of the Federal Superior Court. And the circular dated December 8, entitled Notification of the Christmas Holidays of the Federal High Court for 2020, stipulated that during the holidays, that's being on Tuesday, only matters related to national interest, human rights, and the ship release December 22 and ends on Friday, January 8, 2001. The lawyer pointed out that according to the notification, the holiday judge of the Abuja division of the Federal High Court is Judge Evelyn Maha. Today being within the declared period for Christmas holiday, and this case not being one of the cases listed as those that can be heard by a holiday judge, including the fact that His Honor is not a holiday judge, the court cannot exercise judiciary over the jurisdiction over the matter. He urged that whether the matter is urgent or not is determinable by the facts contained in the evidence in the affidavit presented to the court, adding that nothing less than that will suffice. There is a manifest breach in this case so that the court is not even in a position to contemplate whether this case is urgent or not by the law. Mauser reported that the defense team has denied its consent for any procedure to be carried out during the Christmas holidays. The People's Democratic Party (PDP) lawyer alleged himself with the argument put forward by Obaseki's lawyer by urging the court to suspend the proceedings and await the outcome of the appeal to the Supreme Court. So hello guys, I'm going to drop it here for now. So let's hear from you. What's your view on this? Kindly leave your opinion below the comment section.